StockPulse Newsroom talking Sun Summit Minerals today. Sun Summit trades as SMN Toronto Venture Exchange and SMREF on the OTCQB in the States. They've been in the news lately. A whole lot going on, in fact. So I've got with me now the president, Sharon Alexander, to run through it here. So Sharon, I appreciate you taking the time. A lot going on short term here. I guess we'll back you up a little bit, though. I want you to catch investors up on how you ended up in 21.
Sure thing. So yeah, thanks for having us. The Buck property, it's in central BC. It's a bulk tonnage gold, silver, zinc property. We're right at the beginning stages of discovery. So we had a high grade discovery at the end of 2020, and we've followed up with and confirmed those grades with subsequent drilling. We've just completed a oversubscribed $6 million financing. So that gives us additional funding to continue with drilling and exploration of the property. The property has great infrastructure and access, road, power, rail. We can drive right to site. So, really keeps the drill costs down in a great mining friendly region. So there's lots of opportunity to grow. 2021, so we had 2 drill campaigns, of which we followed up on some of our high grade that we discovered in 2020. And as well, at the end of 2021, we had a drill program of 32 holes where we had more of a grid-based drilling, where we were able to find out a lot more about the structure and lithological controls on mineralization at Buck. And so we've had some news releases in February and January with some of those results. And so what we're looking forward to in 2022 is just some additional exploration, expanded drill program, and getting back on the ground and doing some more regional exploration as well.
It sounds like you got a big year lined up here, and I guess what's going to probably help you out here in these markets is put some news out here. You're DTC eligible now, so why don't you talk about that and how important getting that U.S. environment might be important for you?
Yeah, for sure. So we've been trading on the OTCQB for a few months now under SMREF. However, getting this confirmation from the DTC, we're now eligible for electronic clearing and settlement through the US. And so this really benefits American shareholders. It really streamlines the process of trading shares in the US and increases liquidity as well. Excuse me. So we're going to be available to a broader range of investors in the States, which is good news, definitely for our existing shareholders as well as potential investors.
Yeah, last year a little tough for the industry, I guess, as far as the market's concerned. But you certainly set yourself up with the whole plethora of things going on here. So let's maybe zone in on short term here. Investors love the action. I think you really set it up good here. So talk about like next quarter here. What's if we're getting involved right now? What's the immediate action?
Yeah, for sure. So we're looking forward to a pretty exciting 2022. As mentioned, we just closed our financing, so we're well funded for additional drilling. The drill is currently turning. However, we're looking forward to ramping that up in a few months and having quite a substantially larger drill program. So at Buck Main itself, we're looking to expand that mineralized footprint as well as do some infill drilling and really chase some of the high grade, as well as get some of these long continuous intercepts of the bulk tonnage mineralization, which really defines the Buck Main property. In addition, we have a very large tenure package, so over 33,000 hectares. We have quite a bit of geochemical sampling that we've been sorting through, targeting and ranking targets and things like that. And so for 2022, we're going to be starting a property-wide VTEM geophysical survey, which will cover the entire property and hopefully lead to additional, discoveries of target areas that we can be drilling at. And using the results of the geophysical survey as well as the geochemical results, hopefully we'll be able to come up with some additional new areas to fine tune and really do some exploration targeting there. Additional drilling and the VTEM survey. We're going to be doing 3D modeling and target generation. So, a lot of news flow to come in 2022.
Okay. Well, we'll leave it there and appreciate you taking the time there. Again, Sharon Alexander, she is the president of Sun Summit Minerals, SMN Toronto Venture Exchange, SMREF, OTCQB in the States. And again, Sharon, I appreciate you taking the time and kudos on getting that listing in the States now. Hopefully that helps you out down here. So I look forward to checking back in when you have some more news to report.
Great. Thank you.